Make sure you back up important data and settings stored on your watch so you can restore them later on. This should be done before performing any updates on your watch or resetting it. From the Wearable app, select Account and Backup. Then tap Backup Data. Make sure everything you want to back up is checked, and then tap Backup. When the backup is finished, tap Done. To make things even easier in the future, turn on Auto Backup. Now you won't have to worry about accidentally or unexpectedly losing your watch's data.